Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Recently, I received a message asking me what would be the best luxury investment piece to purchase. Here is my 7 step-by-step suggestions to help you with purchasing a luxury investment piece. Step 1, look at what your favorite luxury house is. To name a few, there is Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Gucci, Valentino, and the list goes on. Step 2, ask yourself, what are you looking to purchase? A handbag, jewelry, or a watch. All of these items are and can be considered investment pieces. I am going to use myself for this example. Say that I would like to purchase a luxury investment piece, and my luxury investment piece is going to be a watch. Today, and I stress today, right now, I would say automatically I would look at the brand Rolex. Step 3, do your homework. Research the company that you are willing to give your little coins to. Rolex started making luxury timepieces in 1908 and has stayed in business and kept a very good to excellent reputation since. Another house to consider would be Cartier. Step 4, size. Small or medium for handbags. Stick with the size that can be worn with many outfits. It can be an eye catcher, but it does not have to need its own seat, aka large, oversized handbags. Step 5, material. Consider leather. It withstands wear better than canvas. This is for handbags. If you're looking at watches, then I would say consider steel or stainless steel. Step 6, color, black. Yes, stay safe with this one. Black is a basic color, but it is also a classic color. And it goes with everything. Hello, black never goes out of style or season. Side note, I don't think this will make or break your luxury investment purchase, but make sure that you know if you're purchasing a handbag, which hardware that you like. Silver, gold, antique gold. This will help with alleviating the pressure of making a decision on the spot when you are shopping. Very important. Step 7, take care of your luxury purchase. It is an investment and should be treated as one. Carry it or wear it. Make sure you wipe it off after each use. Apply a leather conditioner at least 3 times a year to your leather handbags. And if you purchased a watch, make sure you take it in to be detailed and clean. So there you have it. Figure out what brand you're obsessed with. Stay true to your heart and don't let trends play a part in your luxury investment purchase. That is the final step. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a thumbs up if it was, but most importantly, please leave a birthday emoji down in the comments for the birthday girl who sent me this message. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.